Hello? 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 What the?
His head on his endoskeleton.
Carefully pick up and place Foxy's head on his endoskeleton. What if I just... Oh, I'm wearing it now. Carefully, I said... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what happened? Hello? Hello? Hello?
You picked the wrong house, fool!
Wow, that is just great. Okay, whatever. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do you like that, okay? I didn't mean to just drop. I didn't mean to disrespect you like that. Come on, here, let's get your head on. Let's get your head on.
Oh no,
Oh.
It looks like Foxy's proprietary servo motors are malfunctioning. It is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times. You will need to place new control fuses in the exposed receptacles to continue. Retrieve the fuse from drawer number 1 that matches Foxy's leg receptacle. To avoid bodily harm, wait for Foxy's legs to stop moving before inserting the control fuse.
Yeah, and like bird flush. Foxy. What am I? Like gears? I like gears. Come on, what's some gears? Here, what's some gears? Some gears? What if I do look away? We're gonna do if I look away now. What are those? What the hell you got? Want some eyes? Want some eyes? Oh shit! What'd I do? Foxy, I'm sorry. Foxy, I'm sorry. Hello? Foxy, I'm sorry. Foxy, I'm sorry. Foxy.
I'm in danger!
I'm sorry. Well, now I'm here again with this stupid, idiotic cupcake. This is just get me out of here. Now, Foxy, I don't know what your problem with me is, man, but it's not gonna work out like this. I know you got your broken jaw and you're mad because of all that stuff, and fortunately, I just can't fix you. And he told me not to look away, but I don't even know why. I mean, nothing's gonna happen. I mean, come on, Foxy, you're my boy, dude. Come on. What was that? See, nothing happened. Well, I guess I even got his Foxy plush. What you gonna do? Oh no. Batteries. Sweet succulent batteries. Protect me. Protect me. Where you at?
Wait for Foxy's legs to stop moving.
Like a jackass.
Well done. The remaining chest fuses are located in drawers number 2 and number 4. Fix both fuses to continue.
Now, Foxy, you see, I got your batteries all done here. Now, if you could just make this easy. Foxy, blushy, come on, get tired. Tired. I'm sorry. You know what, man? I'm real tired of seeing your face. I give up.
Welcome back to Research and Development. Today, we are using science to pervert the mysteries of life and reanimate the inanimate. To begin, it is customary for the creator to give a melodramatic speech. Go on, I'll wait.
So, today
All
we're
done?
in this...
Good job.
No.
Now let's wake our little
whatever.
experiment with a controlled shock. Turn the crank to lower the platform, then throw the switch.
Turn the crank to lower the platform. You got some nice feet. Oh my gosh, they look succulent. Let's go. You got some succulent toes, my guy. Oh, he's big. Oh, he's big. Oh, he's big. Oh, he's real big. Is that what I do? I do. Is that what I do? Is that what I do, right? He's too big. What is this?
Throw the switch.
I don't want to. What if I don't throw the switch?
Throw the switch.
What if I don't throw the switch? I'm scared. Oh, okay. What is this?
It's alive, but lacking the necessary control module, namely
that
the
the
brain.
one? No.
So let's calibrate one. Use the laboratory tools to adjust the brain's vital characteristics. Use the blueprints as a guide for matching the correct colors, size, and neurofeedback loop. When you are satisfied, carefully place the brain in the creature's animatronic head cavity.
There we go. Bink. Bada bink boom. Bink bink. What is that sound? Bink bada bink 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 boom. What might be a sound? Okay, now what? Okay. Oh. I'm gonna give you this. Please don't kill me, okay? Please, look, if I give you this brain, you won't kill me, right?
No, I won't kill you.
Okay. Here. Here, I gave you the brain. 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 We're good, right? We're good. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Well done. It's time to introduce the creature to the kids for focus testing
Fuck you, and your stupid
troubleshooting.
teeth, and your stupid fucking mangled body, and your... Oh, your mouth stuck in your toes. I mean,